Tired of high labor costs and inconsistent quality in sleeve box production? It's time to automate. Welcome to the new standard of smart manufacturing. Our full automatic production line handles it all. From raw sheet feeding to high-precision folding. Every crease is perfect, every angle is consistent, powered by our advanced PLC integration. The secret is in the details. Our patented edge sealing technology ensures a smooth, 100% waterproof finish. It's versatile, adjustable for various sizes, and built with heavy-duty components for 24/7 operation. As a leading manufacturer, we've empowered factories across Russia, Southeast Asia, and South America. We don't just sell machines, we deliver competitive advantages. Stop struggling with manual labor. Upgrade to automation today. Contact us for a factory direct quote and customized layout. Let's build your smart factory together.